Dear students, today I am going to talk about the other conditions except the condition you have read in the beginning of the similarity of the two triangles, that two triangles are called similar triangles if their corresponding angles are equal. First thing, and the second thing is the ratio of their corresponding sides are proportional. So why we are reading these extra conditions or criteria for similarity of two triangles? It is just because we want to know whether we can minimize these conditions. Means we need some less things to prove two similar triangles, or we should every time go for both the conditions, means regarding the angles, equality of angles, and second thing is the regarding the proportionality of the sides. So the first criterion we uh, see here, it is triple S criterion, means we do not need all the times both the things, means corresponding angles and the corresponding sides proportionality. If we see in two triangles ABC and PQR that the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal, you will directly can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and the result you will get that angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Note down that whenever we have to prove two triangles to be similar, either we show here with the proportionality of the sides or the equality of the angles. So here we are using the proportionality of the sides. So it means that the angles will be automatically equal to each other. Now the second condition is the triple A criterion, just reverse of this. If in two triangles you see that all the three corresponding angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding angles of the other triangle, then you can directly write first triangle ABC is similar to the second triangle. Now here you will use the reverse thing. You are showing angles equal, it means you can directly write the ratio of the corresponding sides equal, means AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Now sometime it is also called double A condition because of the fact that the sum of all the three angles of a triangle is a constant, that is equal to 180 degree. So if two angles are equal, then automatically third angle of the two triangles will again be same. So sometimes we only show two angles equal to each other rather than showing three angles equal to each other, and we prove that the two triangles are similar. Similarly, the last condition is SAS criterion. Note down that this is not SAS of congruency. Here you cannot show two sides are equal. SAS criterion of similarity means you have to show the uh, equality of ratios of the sides of the two triangles which are corresponding to each other. For example, if in two triangles AB and C, ABC and PQR, AB corresponds to PQ and BC corresponds to QR. Now note down these two sides. These two sides contain angle B and Q. Clear? Now if you are given AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR and angle B is equal to angle Q, the ratios are equal of the corresponding sides and angle is also contained in between them. This is the main thing. यानी एंगल जिन आपने करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स को लिया है उन्हीं के बीच में ही होना चाहिए और कहीं नहीं होना चाहिए. Then only we can write triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by SAS criterion. Now what are the remaining things? You know that the definition of the similarity of two triangles contain two things. First, equality of angles. Second, proportionality of the sides. So here whatever we have used in the condition SAS, that is given to us, and whatever remaining, that is automatically true. When once you write the first triangle is similar to second triangle, then the remaining facts about the two triangles are correspondingly true. It means angle A is equal to angle P and AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. It is automatically true. You can write in any question. When you are solving any question, you can directly write, because I am using SAS or I am using triple A or I am using triple S conditions. So three things we have read up to now. One, BPT, converse of BPT, definition of similar triangles, and now the conditions means criteria for similarity of true triangles. So later on we will do the exercises regarding this. So first exercise I will begin soon. Thank you.